carrière, lui.
À qui tu parles, ton frère ou
Does anyone else need Ichor wings? If so, let me know and I'll put them up in my bazaar and let you buy them for 1 gil.
I think we're about ready.
I'm ready.
Right.
Alright, Chris, can you tell Moods as soon as he's done the Spellga so he'll run in?
Can you say that again?
Just tell Moods when Bahamut has done the Spellga, when basically his first spell, that Moods can run in and start CSS.
I'll do.
About ready. I still have.
Everyone better be bunched up together.
Jesus, guys.
Damn, I don't think I've ever seen 3 disco balls go off at one time.
You know something serious about to happen.
Getting nervous.
Fuck yes.
4 songs
Negative.
completed. 4 out of 6 songs received. 2 songs to commit. I ran out of water. This needs to go faster, faster, faster. Cozy, you said you didn't have Nightingale, right? Or Chivalry?
I guess I'll go ahead and pick it up.
Just wondering which one is that? It takes twice as long to cast.
Yeah, I don't have the Dutch one that makes the
Moods, get
Let
ready.
me go.
Alright, go.
Alright, ready.
I'm ready.
Going!
Let me know when it dispels, guys. Don't have to engage.
It's buffing itself.
Start. Start.
No.
Start.
Start.
Go, go, go!
Terror.
Better put Feint up on that thing. Get him, Death.
Fuck, I didn't even start my part 2. Oh well.
He's at 18%, 13.
Oh, he's going
11,
down.
6.
He's down. Oh shit, we
He's
won.
down.
Yeah, win!
Zagnol! Fuck yeah!
Yes!
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Oh motherfucker, that was
Hey.
so good.
Shit, yeah, dude.
Did we go through one chain spell stun?
Dude, he was dead in less than 30 seconds. Or 50 seconds.
Oh motherfucker.
Fucking Dragoon defense down.
Look at that.
For the
Schultz said
win.
50-second kill.
50-second kill? Hell yeah.
Oh motherfucker, I was destroying the fuck out of that thing.
All I have to say is I love fucking Dragoon's defense down. Gotta love it.
Oh fuck, I'm shaking.
Is this the Scythe and the Staff the only drops?
Yeah,
Cashmere,
it'll only
Negative.
drop.
Cashmere Thread, Kunwu Iron, Bahamut Zagnal, and Bahamut Staff.
One thread isn't enough for a thingy, is it?
So is someone gonna come all the way out here to get the staff, or some summoners are you gonna get it?
Well, I think we have some summoners here. If they're working up.
Alright. Dude, we fucking murder the fuck out of that thing. Dude.
He died before my
Moods,
Mako
what did, hey,
Sushi wore
Moods, did
off.
you get your parse on?
Dude, Latta was fucking murdering that bitch.
Can I just go ahead and lot the Zagnal?
I know it can. Oh, never mind. Cliff, he's not on here. Damn it.
I was late with my stun. Sorry, guys.
Oh, somebody wants that thing. Nagoshi got a fucking win lot too.
Damn, what a nice lot.
Sick, dude. Congratulations, Latta.
Thank you.
Spoiled bitch.
I can't believe Dwin didn't just wait for it, dude.
Cozy, Latta said he talked to
He
him
really
about
sounded
it.
like he didn't really care about it. He's like, he could really
Oh,
care
really?
less about it.
Sweet.
I can't wait to go try this
Oh.
thing out.
Dude,
Bahamut
isn't
did parse. Damn, Latta fucking blew everyone out of the water, dude. Latta
Really?
did 40% of its damage.
nice?
Fuck. Latta did 12